Ooh, big fish jumped over there. Hey, welcome to Horsley Retirement Empire. I'm sorry, Horsley Retirement Adventures. Mason's with me! Say hi, Mason!
Hi.
No, say hi!
Hi.
There you go. We're fishing today, Satilla River. We got Tim with me as well. Say hi, Tim.
Hello.
And we're out in Satilla. We're going to try to catch some panfish for Mason. He has been really excited, wanting to go out here and fish. So what do you think? You're going to catch some fish today?
Mm-hmm.
What? No, you got to be exciting on YouTube. You going to catch some fish today?
Yes.
Yeah! Woo! Can't hardly hold this excitement. All right. Paul out. Uh-oh.
We got one.
Got another one. Not a bit. Oh.
Same one. Same one.
You think he is?
Yeah, it looks like.
You got a pencil we could put his name on it or something so we know next time?
No, but it's not. Yep, it's the same.
It's the same fish?
Yeah.
Man! Dude! Stop biting my hook.
Oh.
I know, it's a small crappie.
I see.
Tim's got a crappie!
Ooh. I want to touch him. Cubby got one that's shaking.
No, that's my lure shaking it.
It's a big
Bring it in! Bring
It's
it
a
away!
big one.
Get it away from the back of the boat!
It's
Stand
a big
up!
one.
Stand up!
It's a big one.
What are you doing here? Come here!
Big
Come
one.
here!
It's a big one. It's a big
Hurry!
one.
Reel it
Big one.
in! You've got your pole backwards too.
No, hurry.
Hurry!
Yeah, it's so
Hurry.
big. Help me, Grandpa.
Hurry! No, it's a big fish!
I
Hurry!
get it.
Reel it in!
That's what I'm trying to do.
Hurry!
It's too
Reel
big.
it! Reel it!
Ah,
Reel it!
It's so
Let me show you your
big.
pole.
It's
Look at
too big. Oh.
here. Now pull it in. Just pull it up for me.
Ah!
Woo!
Yay.
Yeah, Mason!
Should we,
Look at that fish!
are we going to eat that one?
Yeah, we'll put that one in the cooler.
Can I put him on my phone?
Yeah, hold on to him.
Oh. Ah,
Put your thumb like there.
How do you do that?
With your thumb.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, hold on a second. Put him up to the camera. No, that's not how you're putting him up to the camera.
Yeah. Slippery, but-
Mason's first fish!
No, my
First fish here. Put your mouth hand in there. Put your thumb in there. Okay. Now show the people.
Yeah.
Smile. What do you say?
What?
No.
Oh,
That good.
we got another one.
He's got another fish. That's two for Mason. Hurry.
Yeah, let's go.
Holy mackerel.
Yeah.
That's
Quick,
bigger than the last one.
Woo!
Pick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got another fish.
Look at that.
Woo, doggy.
Nice job.
Yeah. Can I hold it?
Yes, you
again?
can. It's your fish. Put your thumb in there. Get his tongue.
Yeah, it's hard to do it.
There. Show everybody. Show the
Woo!
camera.
Ow.
Show the camera. What do you think?
Cool.
Cool. Let me have him. I'll put him in with his
And
brother.
he's sharp. No, I'll put him.
All right, look at my poles out of the way. Don't drop him because he's a good eating fish. Miss Mason is killing it. Get in, Mason.
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
Stand up.
Yeah. That's okay.
Come on. It's drinking water. It might not be big, but it's another fish.
Yeah. Is that big enough, Grandpa?
No, sir.
Oh man, can I pull it back out?
If you'd like to. Take your time. Take your time.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Is it a big one? Oh my gosh. It's huge. Bring it up. Bring it up out of the water. No, don't bring it up all the way. No. Oh. Ah.
We have it. We have it.
Ooh, doggy.
My fourth one because I caught a little one. So it's too little.
Looky there.
Put your finger in there. You got to get it down in there. Get it down in there. Show the people.
Woo!
What do you say?
My fourth one.
Their fourth one. That's,
Yeah.
All right.
Woo!
Good job. You're a fisherman. Here, I'll put it in the live well for you, so you don't have to step
No, I
on.
want to put it in.
Well, then you got to step over all this stuff.
Okay.
So go ahead. I'll let you do it anyway. It's like a game. Mason is killing it.
Is this still on the video?
And Tim still hasn't switched baits.
Yeah. Fixing to.
I'm thinking he's gonna.
Yeah.
Mason, king fisherman.
Are they still on the video?
Yeah.
Oh, no!
You're killing it.
Why?
All right.
They do.
Oh, here we go. I'm gonna catch a fish now. Just a matter of time. I see fish underneath there. What are you drinking there?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew! Woo! Okay, Mountain Dew, you can sponsor Mason. Hashtag Mountain Dew, Diet Dew. Do the dew, Mason. And there's those same fish, Tim. Same right there. Of course, they're down a little bit different now. Before they were up.
Yeah.
That's that same little hole, and I don't know what's there, but they like being there. And he's got one. What'd I tell you, folks?
What?
I said, right there's the fish, and right there Tim got one.
Hoot,
Hoot hoot!
hoot. Might get snagged.
Oh, he won't. We're okay.
Whoop.
Holy mackerel! Oh no, I don't want to lose that one.
No, me either, me either, me either. Hurry, get it, get it, get it, get it.
There he is. Pull him in, Tim. That's the biggest one of the day.
Wait, this?
Oh, you don't pull it all the way to the top.
Yeah.
Woo!
Whoa, that is the biggest one.
Good job.
Thank you. Maybe I just didn't have enough line out this whole time. Because as soon as I dumped some out,
Yeah.
it immediately caught. So.
You want to hold that big fish?
Yeah.
Put your phone all the way in there.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Put it in there.
Grab him.
Ow.
Don't be scared.
Oh, Mason.
Stop moving.
Don't drop that in the water. That's a big one.
Gotta grab him. I'm scared of him.
I'm not scared of him. He's slippery. Stop moving.
You sure?
Okay, now I got it.
There you go.
Show the people. Show them how big that thing is.
That was him, not me.
So what? It's a big fish. It's as big as your head. All right. Put him in there without letting him fall. That's a big fish.
Yeah. Got him?
Now this.
Okay.
Did we get one?
Tim's got another one.
Woo!
Okay, don't
Woo!
reel too far up.
Oh yeah.
Look
We
how
got
that thing-
another one.
Man,
It's
that's a
big.
big girl.
And it's yellow.
Woo! Doggy.
Woo!
Tim's caught. He only caught two, but he caught the two biggest.
Yeah.
Man, that's a big fish.
I got 3 or 4. Whoa, whoa, shaking.
Shaking. It's almost like he didn't want to get caught.
Ah,
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Fish down!
Fish,
Yeah, you got it.
fish. Wait, I'll get him.
Look at that. Look at that fish. Wait a minute.
I know. Okay, open
Don't
it up.
drop him. That's dinner!
Got it.
Oh, hey, held on to the fish. Good deal.
Whoa, water.
It's alright.
Toss it. Hurry. Woo! What are you?
What are you?
No, folks, that was not slow motion. That's just the way a 7-year-old moves. I mean, it looked a lot like slow motion, and I think he was trying to do slow motion. Were you doing slow motion on purpose?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it sure looked like it. Did a good job in slow motion.
Slow perfection.
Yeah. Nuthead. All right, there's another fish down there. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button about 10, 20, 30 times if you need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell them subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell them why. We need subscriptions.
Yes, so we could get money.
Oh, that's not. No, it's not for money.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it might be. All right, say goodbye, Mason. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
How many fish we get?
I think like 6.
7.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Give me up.
Bam.
Boom.
Goodbye.
So what? What'd you say?
Bye.
All right, Paul out.